Yes. Done homework. Any doubts you have?
14th question.
14th question. Yes, what are the important question? It has equal roots. You have to calculate the value. Yeah, there is no Q. It is 9.
Okay, ma'am.
There is no Q. Q actually 9 is misprinted as Q.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. And anything else?
Ma'am, 15th one.
15th one. Which question of 15th? Any particular question or all the questions?
All the
All questions?
Ma'am,
Yes.
I have a doubt in question number 15th, fourth question.
Fourth question. A, B plus
Question number
C x square. That one, no? B plus C x square.
Yes, ma'am.
Minus A plus B plus C into x plus A is equal to 0. You have to find the nature of the roots. So that means we have to calculate the value of B square minus 4AC. It is B square minus 4AC value we have to calculate. So it is B square is minus of A plus B plus C whole square minus 4. What happened? 4 into bracket B plus C into A is equal to 0. So it is A plus B plus C whole square. Minus's square will be positive. So it is A square plus B square plus C square plus 2AB plus 2BC plus 2CA. Then minus 4
AB.
AB minus 4AC is equal to 0. Sorry, it's not 0. We have to calculate what is that value. Now here it is 2AB minus 4AB will become minus 2, and this one also will become minus 2. So this will become A square plus B square plus C square minus 2AB plus 2BC minus 2AC. Then it will be now A. Now here term this one and this one is negative. So
Yes,
this is
ma'am.
again in the form of A square plus B square plus C square 2AB 2BC 2CA with only sign different. So
Minus
A
A.
is minus A plus B plus C whole square is equal to. Now this is if you the square of this term. So this is the value of D is square of this.
Yes, ma'am.
So it is a square term. So any square term is positive or negative.
Positive.
So D is, then what is D? D is positive. That means D is greater than 0.
Yes, ma'am. Real and distinct.
Yeah, real and distinct. Clear?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Anyone? Any other doubt?
Ma'am,
Yes? Share.
ma'am, 16th question, last one, fourth one.
16th question, last one. So it is 2x square plus kx minus 4 is equal to 0. You have to find the nature of the roots. Set of the k for which has real roots they have given. Already they have given it as a real roots. So d greater than or equal to 0. So that means b square minus 4ac is greater than or equal to 0. So b square means k square minus 4 into 2 into minus 4 greater than or equal to 0. K square plus 32 is greater than or equal to 0. So already you got k square plus 32 is greater than 0. K square is a positive term. Any term if you take k value is positive term and this is 32. So value of k square or greater than equal to minus 32. So value of k should be greater than minus 32. That means k is greater than. If you find out the square root, not possible. But it should be greater than minus 32. Square root of minus 32. So that means any real number you can consider. The k should be any real number. K is greater than square root of minus 32, which is actually it is an imaginary number. So value of k should be is greater than. So k is greater than this number. So this is an imaginary number, non-real number. So you can take any value of k. So k should be a real number. That's it, the condition. K should be a real number. K is greater than minus square root of 32, which is an imaginary number. So you can take k value as any real number. You need a k as any real number to get the answer real. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Any other doubts? Anyone else? No doubts? Aditya, have you finished? Aditya,
Yes, ma'am.
have you finished?
Yes, ma'am.
No doubts?
No, no.
Jessica, have you finished?
Yes, ma'am.
Now 17th we have solved. The next question is 18th one. If the roots of the equations are equal, so what is the equation? A square plus b square into x square minus 2 ac plus bd into x plus c square plus d square is equal to 0. Okay. Now this equation has real root, equal roots. Roots are equal. Then show that a by b is equal to, prove that a by b is equal to c by d. So we have to prove a by b is equal to c by d, that we have to prove it. Equal, that means b is equal to 0. So b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. So what is b? Minus 2 into ac plus bd whole square. Minus 4 into a is a square plus b square. And c is c square plus d square, that is equal to 0. Now simplify. Minus 2 square is 4. Square of ac plus bd, that is a square c square. Don't forget here, most of the students will do a c square. So it is a and c are two different terms. So therefore square of both of them plus b square d square plus 2 a b c d minus 4 inside bracket a square c square plus a square d square plus b square c square plus b square d square, that is equal to 0. Take 4 common. Now bracket a square c square plus b square d square plus 2 abcd minus, now all the sign will change, a square c square minus a square d square minus b square c square minus b square d square is equal to 0. So 4 will goes RHS and become 0. Now inside term a square c square minus a square c square cancel, plus b square d square minus b square d square cancel. Now we left with 2abcd minus a square d square minus b square c square is equal to 0. Now change the sign. It is in the form of a square plus b square minus 2ab. So after changing the sign, it will become plus, b square c square will become plus, and 2abcd will become minus. That is equal to 0. So whose square is this?
AD plus BC whole square.
AD plus BC.
AD minus BC. This is a minus 2abcd. So AD minus BC whole square. So therefore AD minus BC, taking square root, AD minus BC is equal to 0. So therefore AD is equal to BC. And now take D on RHS, D on LHS. A by B is equal to C by D. Proved. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
This question is important. Ask for 3 or 4 marks.
Done, ma'am.
Others, have you finished?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Then
Yes, ma'am.
25th question. 25th question. You are solving that question. If the equation 1 plus m square x square plus 2mcx plus c square minus a square is equal to 0 has equal roots, prove that c square is equal to a square into 1 plus m square.
Done, ma'am.
Done, ma'am.
Everyone, have you finished? Got
Yes,
the answer?
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Everyone got the answer?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Anyone
ma'am.
could not get it?
Mhm.
Is there anyone who couldn't get that answer? Raise your hand if you have done. Anyone has a doubt can raise hand. No one has. Okay. Then next we will start with the word problems. So before starting RD, we have to start with the NCRT. So NCRT word problems all we will solve, solved, unsolved, and then coming back to RD Sharma remaining questions. So first NCRT questions. There are only two exercises as NCRT word problems and 3 examples. Those are very easier. Okay. This is second exercise, word problems of second exercise. Find two numbers whose sum is 27 and the product is 182. If you are not able to solve by one variable, there is no compulsion of always solving in one variable. You can use the two variables and then convert by use a substitution method. By using substitution method, you will get the quadratic equation finally. Okay, so you are free to use two variables. It's not compulsory that you have to use only one variable. There is no compulsion. Are you able to listen?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Because
Yes, ma'am.
I'm seeing the red sign. Okay, fine. So here, find the two numbers whose sum is 27. That means two numbers we will consider as one as x and another one as y. Two numbers as x and y. Sum of whose is 27. X plus y is equal to 27. And product of those two numbers is 182. So value of y we can write as 27 minus x. Here only substitution method can be used. Elimination is not possible because two terms are not plus and minus sign. So always the second one is in the form of product. So you have to use the elimination, substitution method. So value of y is 27 minus x. X into y is equal to 182. X into 27 minus x is equal to 182. So 27x minus x square is equal to 182. 0 is equal to x square minus 27x plus 182. So we have to factorize it. Better always the word problems factorization. If you are not able to factorize, then go for quadratic formula. But try to factorize the equation. It can be easily factorized. So here 2 into 9, 1. 2, 13 sevens are 91. 7 twos are 14 and 13, 27. X square minus 14x minus 13x plus 182. X into bracket x minus 14 minus 13 into bracket x minus 14. So x minus 13 or x minus 14. So two numbers as if one is x, so x is equal to 13 or 14. So if one number is x, second will be 14. If first one is 14, the second one will be 13 because anyhow their sum is 27. It's clear?
Yes, mom.
Sharad, can you tell the next equation? If first done.
Ma'am, one number, let one number be x,
Okay. Let one number be x.
and the other number will be x plus 1.
The number be x plus 1 because they are consecutive numbers, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Then
Ma'am, their squares will be 365.
so sum of whose squares? So both the squares is sum is 365. So how to write the equation?
X plus 1 whole square.
No, sum of squares, not
X
square of sum.
square plus x plus 1 whole square.
X square plus x plus 1 whole square is equal to 365. Okay. Then solve this equation. X square plus x square plus 2x plus 1 is equal to 365. 2x square plus 2x minus 364 is equal to 0. X square plus x minus 182 is equal to 0. So just now we have calculated 182's factors are 14 and 13. So it is plus. Larger number should have the middle term sign, positive. So x plus 14. And the second one is x minus 13 is equal to 0. So x is equal to minus 14 or x is equal to 13. So if 14 and 13, they have asked the positive integers. They have given us these are positive integers. The value of x is equal to 13 and the next number is 14. The numbers are 13 and 14. Completed?
Yes, mom.
Ma'am.
Yes. No.
Mayuka, can you tell me the equation for the next one? The altitude of right triangle is 7 centimeter less than its base. If the hypotenuse is 13 centimeter, find the other two sides. Mayuka, can you tell this?
Ma'am, let one side of a triangle be x.
One side I will draw first. One side of triangle is x. Okay, this I will consider as x.
The other side be y.
Other side be y. Okay. Then Then further,
X square.
first they have given the relation. How to express this in an equation form? Altitude of a right triangle is 7 less than its base.
Y minus 7.
What is base here?
X.
X. So what should be the y? That means altitude. That means this is perpendicular. So perpendicular is 7 less than its base. So what is the value of y? What is the value of y? Altitude is 7 less than its base. Yes, Mayuka. Trishtit, can you tell?
Ma'am,
Yes, can you tell?
x is equals to y minus 7.
X is equal to y minus 7y. What is the base here in this triangle?
X,
X is base. So what is altitude?
y.
So value altitude is 7 less than base. This means what happened? This was simple question. You are facing problem. Value of altitude is 7 less than its base.
Ma'am.
Oh,
One second. Yeah, Trishit, how to write this? Altitude is 7 less than base. Can't write? Tanushree,
Yes, ma'am.
what is the value of altitude? If base is x,
7.
7 is given directly. Altitude is 7 centimeter.
No, ma'am.
Then
Y minus
what is base here we have taken?
X, ma'am.
So what is altitude value?
Y.
Y. Okay, y. And what is the value of that y? In terms of x? Altitude is 7 centimeter less than its base. So how to write in expression form? I mean, people are facing problem in a class 4 question. What Trishtit? What you're doing, Mayuka, Tanushree? This was simple question you are not able to solve. What you people are doing then? Yes, Revati?
Ma'am,
Yes, what is the value of altitude?
ma'am, y is equals to x minus 7.
X minus 7. Base minus 7 is lesser than 7. That is base is equal to x minus 7. So this value will come x minus 7. Then hypotenuse is already given 13. So what is the relation between these three?
Ma'am, x square plus x minus 7 whole square is equals to 13 square.
Why? How it is this relation you got?
Pythagoras theorem.
Pythagoras theorem, right? Find out the x value.
Mom, x is equals to -5 or x is equals to 12?
Yes, right. But minus, how is it possible minus value? Is the side possible minus value of x? Is it possible to take minus sign, minus value?
X is equals to 12 or 5.
X is equal to 12. Though minus 5 you got, but minus 5 is not possible as length cannot be negative.
Okay.
Ma'am, base is 12 centimeters and altitude is 5 centimeters.
Yes, right. A cottage industry produces a certain number of pottery articles in a day. It was observed on a particular day that cost of production of each article, that means one article's price, was 3 more than twice the number of articles produced on that day. So whatever the number of articles produced on that day, it's 3 more than twice of that value is the cost of one article. If the total cost of production on that day is 90, find the number of articles.
Ma'am,
Yes.
what is the answer of question number 5?
5 is 12 and 5. Jessica, can you solve this question? Jessica, are you able to solve this question?
Yes.
Yeah. The number of articles you have to calculate and cost of each article. They have given that is cost of each article is 3 more than twice the number of articles. So it will be. So for what purpose you will consider x?
The number of articles.
Yes, number of articles is equal to x. So what is the cost of one article?
2x plus 3.
3 more than twice plus x, right? Then cost will be x articles are there and this is the price of one article. Then what is the total cost?
X into 2x minus 3.
This is equal to how much they have given?
90.
90. To solve this.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, should the cost of one article be 2x plus 3, no ma'am?
Yeah. 2x 3 more than. Oh, okay. It's 3 more than.
Ma'am,
Yes.
x is equal to 6.
6, right? Completed? Completed this question?
Yes, ma'am.
Janet, what's the answer you got?
From 6.
Ma'am, number of articles in one day is equal to 6.
Yes, right. And the cost?
Cost is uh, 15.
15. Right.
Yes, ma'am.
Done, mom.
Example 12th. Solved example. A rectangular park is to be designed whose breadth is 3 meter less than its length. Its area is to be 4 square meter more than the area of the park. So it is first a rectangular park. Whose breadth is 3 less than length. So we'll consider length as x meters. So what is the breadth then?
X minus 3.
Minus 3.
X minus 3. So length is x and this is x minus 3 meters. Now its area to be 4 square meter more than the area of the park that has been already been made in the shape of isosceles triangle. So area of rectangle is
X into
4
X minus 3.
square meter more than area of triangle. Area of triangle is 4 more than area of rectangle is 4 more than area of triangle. So rectangle is length into breadth is equal to 4 plus area of triangle is half into base into height. But there is some relation between this one also is given. Isosceles triangle, sides are equal. Its width, its base as breadth of the rectangular park. So what is the breadth of rectangular park? X minus 3. So base of this triangular park is also x minus 3. And then altitude is 12. So altitude, that is a perpendicular. Perpendicular value is 12. So now use relation. Length is equal to x for rectangular park. Breadth is x minus 3 is equal to 4 plus half into breadth is base is x minus 3 and the height is 12. 2 6 so it is x square minus 3x is equal to 4 plus 6x minus 18. 6x minus 14 is equal to x square minus 3x. Minus 3x minus 6x plus 14 is equal to 0. So x square minus 9x plus 14 is equal to 0. 14 is 7 2s. So we'll get x minus 7, x minus 2 is equal to 0. So x is equal to 7 or 2. X is equal to 2 not possible. Why? X is equal to 2 is not possible. Though both the values are positive, but x is equal to 2 which cannot be considered. Can you tell why?
Because breadth is
Then the breadth
less
will
than length.
Breadth will be negative.
Yeah, breadth will come negative, so which is not possible. Distance cannot be negative. Okay? So therefore, length is equal to 7. So write down. Depriya, come inside. Completed?
Yes, ma'am, done.
Yes, ma'am.
So you are doing homework, that is 4.8 exercise, new book, and whatever I have sent, that is 8.8 exercise, all the questions. Is it
How
clear?
many questions are there?
I think so, 8th exercise. No, all the questions is not possible. All CBSE questions, CBSE and exemplar questions. 42 questions are there totally. Out of that, only CBSE and exemplar questions. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
By tomorrow.
4.8 exercise, right?
Yeah, it's 7 exercise. Sorry, it is 7th exercise.
4.7.
Yeah,
And CBSE and exemplar questions.
yeah, CBSE and exemplar questions.
Okay, ma'am.
10 are there, I think so. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 20 questions are there. So by tomorrow you have to finish. These are based on this exercise.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, everyone clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And biology, life process. First exercise completed from Aishchand.
No, ma'am.
So you have to finish it faster because second, third, 3 exercises are there.
Ma'am, when should we send you the photos?
First one is need to be sent faster. Now within after 2 days, second exercise.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, can you repeat the homework, maths homework? Voice
Maths homework is 7th exercise.